What if the Sun became a red giant? How would this cosmic transformation impact our solar system, our planet, and life as we know it? Join us as we explore the fascinating future of our Sun, delving into the science behind its life cycle and the dramatic changes it will undergo. Welcome to Imagine If, where we dive into the most intriguing what-if scenarios. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more explorations into the unknown. To understand what happens when the Sun becomes a red giant, we first need to explore its life cycle. Our Sun, like all stars, goes through various stages of evolution. It began as a protostar, then spent billions of years in its main sequence phase, where it is now, fusing hydrogen into helium in its core. Currently, the Sun is stable, burning hydrogen in a process that produces the energy we rely on. But last forever. In about 5 billion years, the Sun will exhaust the hydrogen in its core and begin to undergo dramatic changes. When the hydrogen fuel runs out, the Sun's core will contract and heat up, causing the outer layers to expand and cool. This expansion will transform the Sun into a red giant. During this phase, the Sun will grow immensely, possibly engulfing the inner planets, including Mercury and Venus. The outer layers will stretch far beyond their current reach, making the Sun hundreds of times larger than its current size. This transformation will have profound effects on the entire solar system. As the Sun expands, its increased luminosity and heat will drastically alter the conditions of the solar system. The habitable zone, the region where liquid water can exist, will shift outward. Earth, once comfortably within this zone, will face extreme heat. The oceans the atmosphere will be stripped, and the surface will become uninhabitable. Any remaining life will need to seek refuge underground or potentially migrate to more distant celestial bodies. In this future scenario, humanity's survival will depend on our ability to adapt and innovate. Underground colonies could provide shelter from the extreme surface conditions. Alternatively, we might look to other planets or moons in the solar system, like Mars or the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, as new homes. Terraforming efforts and advanced space habitats could offer viable solutions. Additionally, the shifting habitable zone might make some of the outer planets' moons more suitable for life. The red giant phase will last for about 1 billion years. During this time, the Sun will continue to lose mass through stellar winds, shedding its outer layers and creating a stunning planetary nebula. This beautiful but brief phase will mark the end of the life. Eventually, the Sun's core will collapse into a white dwarf, a dense, hot remnant that will slowly cool over billions of years. The once vibrant planetary nebula will fade, leaving behind a silent white dwarf surrounded by the remnants of its former outer layers. The transformation of the Sun into a red giant and then a white dwarf is a natural part of stellar evolution. This process will ultimately leave the solar system a very different place, but it also serves as a reminder of the incredible dynamism and complexity of the universe. As we reflect on the Sun's future, we are reminded of our place in the cosmos and the importance of preparing for the distant future. The study of stellar evolution not only deepens our understanding of the universe but also inspires us to explore new frontiers and seek out new possibilities for life beyond Earth. The idea of the Sun becoming a red giant is both awe-inspiring and humbling. To think about the long-term fate of our planet and our species. While this event is billions of years away, understanding it helps us appreciate the delicate balance of life and the ever-changing nature of the universe. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of our Sun. If you found this video thought-provoking, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more explorations into the unknown. Until next time, keep questioning and keep exploring.